Hi everyone! So today I am going to be making 4 amazing one-pot dishes using the electric pressure cooker. My idea for the 4 recipes today is to take you all around Asia. But I'm sure that anyone can appreciate, after coming home from work, one-pot meals, just because you don't have to do as many cleanup. You can throw a bunch of amazing ingredients into one pot and then end up cooking this amazingly comforting meal. I'm actually going to be cooking all of these recipes in the Vonshef electric pressure cooker, and Domu Brands was really nice enough to sponsor this episode so that I can show you all these amazing meals that you can create actually in one pot, really easy. So I hope you all enjoy these recipes. The first recipe is actually a Japanese autumnal mixed rice. Now, I have done mixed rices for you guys before, but this is going to feature chestnuts and mushrooms and root vegetables, so it's just super yummy and super, super comforting. So I'm a bit embarrassed that I have nothing to show you guys for this recipe because it is a throw everything in one pot dish. But just make sure that you have all of the ingredients prepared and cut into kind of strips so that they're small enough. And I have a tendency to put all of the rice and the flavoring ingredients first before adding in all of the toppings. So my second recipe is going to be kimchi fried rice. And I know what you all are thinking, you probably need a pan for that, right? You probably need to do some frying, but I actually tried it in the pressure cooker, both I'm using kind of the saute function and not, and it really came out well both ways. And so it's a matter of just preparing all of the ingredients and then throwing them all together. And I actually have a really healthy rice mix in there where I mix quinoa and lentils and brown rice, which of course the pressure cooker is just really amazing at. You don't have to use all of that oil. So the brilliance of one-pot recipes is you can just throw everything in dry and not have to worry about anything. I'm adding a little bit of gochujang to this just because it makes the rice a little bit more red, but if you don't want things too spicy, you can definitely adjust for that. have such a soft spot for kimchi fried rice. You are going to love this. My third recipe is Vietnamese pho, and you guys all know how long that soup base takes to make because it's boiled essentially for hours. And if you want to impart any flavor into, things like chicken, and in my case, tofu, it's going to take even longer. So for this specific recipe, I'm actually going to be toasting the spices for the broth right in the pressure cooker. So it's still going to be one pot, and the great thing is that it's not really going to take you hours to impart the same flavor as you would on the stovetop. So I hope you guys all enjoy this one. So like I said, I dry toasted some of the spices on medium heat just for a few minutes until they got fragrant before adding in the rest of the ingredients. So the tofu was last on my list, and I made sure to lay them flat so that each of their surfaces would be in contact with the broth. So the tofu actually picked up a lot more flavor in the pressure cooker, which was really nice. And I'm just pairing this on top, obviously, with some pho that I cooked on the side because I did try cooking it within the pressure cooker, but it sort of just picked up too many flavors, and I liked that they were separate. So the fourth dish that I'm going to make is actually an uber comforting Indian chickpea and potato curry. And again, for those of you guys who like to cook chickpeas and beans, you no longer have to soak them. You just put them right into this machine. So we end up actually frying all of the spices within the one pot pressure cooker as well. And paired with a bowl of basmati rice, this is really the ultimate comfort food. So like before, I'm gonna saute the onions and the garlic for just a couple of minutes up until the onions soften, and then I'm going to add all of the dry spices. Just toast them up for like a minute or so until they get nice and fragrant before I add everything else in. So I wanted to show you guys that there is an option of cooking your rice at the same time, and that's just an additional attachment, and I can do another video on that if you guys want, but it's paired with some brown basmati rice and it is absolutely delicious. Like, I love stewed potatoes and chickpea, and to me it is the ultimate comfort food. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed these really quick and easy one-pot recipes. Like, I really wanted to kind of take you around the world and show you these recipes that you can make, you know, for your family and friends in a really like simple and quick and easy manner. So again, a big thank you to Domu Brands for sponsoring this episode. They make a lot of good like kitchen appliances and also different kinds of home goods as well. So make sure to go and check those out, and I will put the link in the description box to this electric pressure cooker if you guys are interested. So I will see you guys again soon, okay? Bye.